So what I'm going to talk here is about adjacent angles. Let's understand adjacent angles first. Let's say we are given an angle ABC and say there is another line starting from B and then it has been divided here into two angles. You can see very clearly that one angle is formed here and another angle is formed here. Now let's name it as B. You can see that angle ABD, that is the one that I have marked here. This is one of the angles, and the other one is DBC, which is marked with a double curve. If you look at it carefully, you will see that BD is common line between the two angles. In other words, these two angles are lying side by side. So these type of angles which are lying side by side are called adjacent angles. Let's look at this figure. You can see that this line ABC or AC is a straight line, and from the point B another line has been drawn up till D. In other words, you can see that this is one angle which is formed and this is another angle which is formed here. And if I look at it carefully, the distance or from here till this point, it is 180 degrees. That means if I add this angle ABD and DBC, it's going to give me 180 degrees. So I can say let's name it as A and let's name this as B. So I can say A plus B will give me 180 degrees because AC is a straight line and the measurement from here to here is 180 degrees. So we have a lot of calculations based on this. Sum of these two angles are giving us 180 degrees. Next one, angles in a point. Now what happens here? If you look at this very carefully, many angles are formed. You can say that this is one angle formed, another angle is formed here, third one here, and the fourth one is formed here. But all of them are starting from this point here. I'm marking it dark so that you can see. So let's name this first angle here as A. Let's name this angle here as B. This one here as C. And the last one here as D. Now when I add all these angles from here to here, that means it's going to give me 360 degrees. So I can say that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D will give me 360 degrees. So in other words, it's forming a full circle.